Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, in this video we'll see how to set your defaults on Amazon. If you're regularly buying on Amazon, you don't want to put every time your default address, default payment methods, all these things. So how to set that default settings, default purchase settings on Amazon, I'll explain you here in this video. For that you have to go into your Amazon app as I have opened here. So here you can see there are these three bars here, this hamburger menu. Just click here and then go to settings. So in settings you can see there is something called default purchase settings. I click here. Once I do that, here it's saying use this page to set your preferred payment method, shipping address and shipping method. So for example, these are my many addresses that I have used here. So I'll choose this address as my default. By default also it would select some addresses, those which using it regularly. So it has already taken a regular address as default, my default address, and shipping address it has taken, my payment method, my nickname it has already selected. You can also change it here, your nickname, what you want your nickname to be. You can write it here in this box. I'll just continue with this nickname and select a payment method. So I'll just select a payment method here. I'll add payment method. I can put in a credit card or card number, enter your credit card information, will save this card so that you can use it later. So this Amazon will save this card, and whenever you purchase something, by default it will just go and ask password or maybe the CVV code or those things only to pay for that product. Every time you don't need to put your card number, your name on the card, expiry date, all these things. So once you select or feed this as your default credit card or debit card or default payment option, you don't need to have this hassle every time you purchase a product. So I'll put in my card number and add your card. So similarly you have put a default payment method also. And last you can, here is something called add a purchase preference. For example, instead of this address, which is already my default address, I want to change it to this as my default address. I'll just select this. I can just make this as my default. I don't have to select anything. I'll just put this at default and add a payment method. Again, you can put in your credit card and all this thing and add your card. You have to click this add your card. So I'll go back. So this has become my default address. So now you can see always the default addresses come up in your this default addresses page, because so that you know which address is your default address. So friends, this is how you set your default purchase settings on Amazon, like your default address, your default payment method, and your shipping method as well. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you found this useful, please like this video and share this across various platforms. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, see you again, see you soon. Thank you.